Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely brilliant KTM 890 SMT. Here we have a KTM 890 SMT. This is a 2023 bike on a 73 plate with just 7,771 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and comes with a host of features including Tech Pack, which is your heated grips and your Quick Shifter Plus. There's also the KTM Travel Pack here as well, which means you've got your KTM Panniers and top box, all of which are in great condition, as you can see there. All the bodywork is in good order as well, with the number boards there, and your swinging arm is in great condition, as is the rear wheel there. No dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there. The rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one as well. All the bodywork here looking really good, as you can see. So the SMT, somewhere between a Supermoto and an 890 Adventure basically, so you get loads and loads of fun that you get out of the Supermoto bike, but just with a bit more practicality, so higher handlebars, the ability to fit luggage and all that good stuff, bit of a fairing. So as you can see, there's no damage on the bar ends, handguards or the mirrors. All your bodywork here, again, all looking really good. No sign of any drop damage on the engine or corrosion. WP Apex suspension there on the front end of this bike, and the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, all in really good order, and the front tyre, plenty of life left there. There's a high level mudguard as well, just giving a nod to the Supermoto styling of this bike. The KTM signature headlamps there as well, all looking really good. And the left hand side of the bike, that's all good as well. As you can see, there's no sign of any drop damage here on the handguards or the mirror. All the bodywork, really nice again. As you can see there, no sign of any drop damage here at all. Petrol tank and all your fairing and the front forks and front wheel, all good. Of course, you've got ABS and some rider modes on this one as well. Chain sprockets, all in excellent condition there, as you can see. Looks very recent addition to me, or certainly been very well looked after, and the rear wheel in great condition there as well. And your panniers all looking really nice. The top of the bike, no rips or tears in the seat. There's a mount there for some sort of tank bag by the looks of it. TFT dash and also a sat nav mount. Of course, the nav not included. You also get cruise control on this very practical motorcycle. So if you are looking for a practical motorcycle with a bit of bite, look no further than this stunning KTM 890 SMT. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this cracking KTM, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take the inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.